In this video we are going to create an expert advisor that is able to check if a new candle on the chart has appeared, and it can also count the candles. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that detects the appearance of a new candle on the chart. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. First, we define the OnTick function, which is called every time a new tick is received for the symbol. Inside this function, we calculate the current candle number using the bars function, which returns the number of bars on the chart for the specified symbol and period. Next, we create a string variable called NewCandleAppeared, which will hold the result of our candle check. We then call a user-defined function named CheckForNewCandle, passing the current candle number as a parameter. This function will determine if a new candle has appeared. We then create a chart output using the comment function to display the number of bars on the chart and whether a new candle has appeared. The CheckForNewCandle function is defined to take an integer parameter, candle number, which represents the current number of candles. Inside this function, we create a static integer variable named lastCandleNumber to store the last known candle number. This variable retains its value between function calls. We also create a string variable named isNewCandle, initialized to noNewCandle. This variable will hold the return value indicating whether a new candle has appeared. We then check if the current candle number is greater than the last known candle number. If it is, we set the isNewCandle variable to yes, a new candle appeared, and update the last candle number variable to the current candle number for future comparisons. Finally, we return the isNewCandle string to the main function, which then displays the result on the chart. After writing the code, we press F7 to compile it. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation is successful, we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester, pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should then see the expert advisor on the chart, displaying the number of bars and whether a new candle has appeared. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that detects the appearance of a new candle on the chart with just a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope you see the candles being counted on your chart. If this was too fast for you, or if you have no idea what the code is doing, maybe the premium course on our website is interesting for you. I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.